What is up, guys? It's your boy CG. Today I got a brand new video. I haven't made a video in a while, but today I got a brand new video I'm gonna do for y'all. I'm about to install my new brakes on my 2017 Dodge Challenger TA392. I have the brakes right here, the Extreme Power Stop Performance. I got from the front and the back, and I got all the tools you're gonna need: jacks, jack stands, everything you would need to get the job done. All right, so I'm gonna start with the front tire first. So unplug these, and I'm gonna put these right here. Then after that, I gotta check the car. This is the jacket print right here, and the same on the other side. And I don't find mine.
Yo!
Because they're too low. I kind of messed up my thing right here, trying to fix it, but I'll try to fix it after. But this is what I did. I drive the car on top of this. That is the bar for this, and then I drove the car on top of it, and then now I got a little bit high, and then this was able to fit under it. And then once it's fit, now I can go up easy. And I already lost all of these, everything. So now all I do is lift it up and take it out, and I'll be back.
Yo!
Everything match.
She always want to bang on me, bro. I hate when she hang up, bro. That shit piss me off.
She just hang up, didn't even tell you.
Yo!